Hello everybody, Mrs. Wild here again. And yes, look, I'm in the same clothes because I'm doing the videos all in one day. So we're continuing on our column journey and we are doing column addition today when we exchange in two of the columns. Okay, so there's quite a bit to go through. If you get stuck at all, you can recap and watch previous videos, but let's just see how we get on. Okay, so you're just going to need your booklet if you've got it. If not, just pen and paper would be fine. So pencil and paper. Right, let me share my screen. Adding with two exchanges. Okay, so we've got a starter to start with. We've got some number sentences and I want you to decide whether or not they need an exchange or no exchange. So would you need to exchange ones for tens or tens for hundreds, or is there no exchange required? Have a look at the board. Pause the video and off you go. Okay, let's have a look. So 1 add 5, shout it out. No exchange, very good. 13 add 9, exchange, yes. 15 take away 7, exchange, brilliant. 48 add 9, exchange. 14 take away 3, no exchange. 28 add 5, exchange. Okay, so that's a nice quick starter. Help me! How do I solve this? Right, I'm coming over. It's nice and easy, guys. It's what you did yesterday. So you can pause the video and you can solve it for me, and then you can check that you've done it correctly when you come back. Okay, oh, let me turn my camera around so you can see. There we go. Okay, so we've got hundreds, tens, ones is what we did yesterday. 146 add 363. 6 add 3 is 9. 4 tens add 6 is 10 tens. So I know 10 tens is 100. So I've got 0 left in there now because I've exchanged it over. There's my 10 tens, my 100. 100 add 300, add another 100 is 500. So it's 509. I hope you got that correct. That was yesterday's learning. Brilliant. So here we go. Looking at sometimes we need to do more than one exchange. So sometimes the ones need exchanging to tens and tens need exchanging to ones. Just drop my laptop on the floor. Hopefully that'll still be working. There we go. I'll come back. So as you can see here, we've got tens to ones, ones to tens, and tens to hundreds. So this adds up. So we start with that. Always start with your ones. This is super important. This adds up to 11. 6 add 5 is 11. So there we go. I exchanged over my 110 and I have 1 left. Then I'm adding up my tens and I've got 7 add 3 is 10. I've got to add this one in. So that's 11 tens. So I've got 11 tens. Look, there's my 100 that I've carried over, exchanged over, and I add up 3 add 5, add that 100. So it's quite a lot on there, but you can see I've written down exactly what I'd have done. You can pause the video and read through it if you need to, but you've got this, guys, okay? Right, let's keep going. So 143 add 88. So it's nice and simple on setting it out. Make sure everything goes in the right column and you're adding. We've got 3 add 8. Okay, 3 add 8 is 11. So I've got to have my 1 there and I'm exchanging over my 10. 4 add 8 is 12, but then I'm adding in this one. So I've got 13. So I've now got 3 tens and 100. And then I've got my 100 and 100 is 200. So it's 231. Okay, trying to talk it through with you so you can keep going. So now we've got 586. If at any point it gets too much, just pause the video and go back onto it. It's not a problem. So start with your ones. 6 add 6. Well, 6 add 6 is 12. So that's 2 ones and that 110 there. 8 add 5. 8 tens add 5 tens is 13 tens. Add the extra 10 there is 14 tens. So 14 tens is the same as 4 tens and 100. 500 and 100 is 600. So it's 642. Okay. 286 add 45. Feel free to pause the video at any point and have a go and check it with me. That's not a problem. I'm adding 45. So 6 add 5. 6 add 5 is 11. So that's 1, 1 and 1, 10. 8 add 4 is 12. Don't forget to add that extra 10 in as well. So that's 13. So that's the same as 3 tens and 100. 200, 100 is 300. 331. Okay. Right, guys, so this is your turn now. You can go back on the video, you can rewatch what I've just done, but you have got 4 number sentences which have all got 2 exchanges. I want you to have a go, pause the video, you've got this, you can do this. You have a go. Okay, welcome back. I hope you've managed to do that just fine. Let me have a look now. Here are your answers. So guys, you have got, not only do you need to get the answers correct, it's about the working out. So you should be able to see that exchange over to your tens column and the exchange over to your hundreds column. So really have a look at those answers. We've got 450, 223, 331 and 331. That's a popular one, isn't it? Okay. If you've not managed to mark it yet, that's fine, but I'm going to stop screen sharing. Ooh, when it lets me. There we go. Hello, everybody. Okay, right, guys, you've done amazing. I'm really proud of you. Just keep it up. Remember, you can watch other videos again and again just to keep having a go. If you've got your pack with you, everything's in there for you as well. Okay, right. We'll see you tomorrow, ready to subtract. See you later.